Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Sophia. Today we are diving into the world of cloud computing, specifically focusing on a powerful concept, compute optimized instances. But fear not, we are going to break it down into a simple terms, right? So what exactly are compute optimized instances? Imagine having a virtual powerhouse dedicated to processing tasks at lightning speed. That's the essence of compute optimized instances. They are like the Formula One cars of the cloud computing world, right? Designed for maximum processing power, right? Now, let's explore their types, advantages, and even throw in a real time example to make things crystal clear. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of compute optimized instances and why they matter in the realm of cloud computing, right? So introduction is, I read this. Compute optimized instances are a type of cloud computing resources that prioritize processing power. It means CPU over other resources like memory or storage. So they are designed to deliver high performance computing for applications that requires substantial sorry substantial computational power, right? So, I explained this, right? So, just imagine you have a really fast computer in a magic data center. Now, this magical computer is not good at remembering things like your computer's memory or storage, right? But it's super fast at solving math problem. It means the CPU of processing powers, right? So now if you have tasks that involves a lot of math problems but don't need much memory or storage, so you would want to use the magical computer, right? That's essentially what a compute optimized instances is in the cloud, right? So, compute optimized instances are like having a bunch of these super fast magical computers in a cloud data center, and they are specially designed for tasks that need a lot of number crunching power but might not necessarily need a massive memory or storage space, right? So, it's like having a team of speedy mathematicians ready to tackle your complex calculations in no time, right? So next is types of compute optimized instances, right? So there are various types of compute optimized instances, each with different specification. For example, include Amazon EC2 C series instances, Google Cloud C2 instances, and Azure F3 instances. So basically, um, one by one, I'm explain these instances, right? So first we will discuss about Amazon EC2 series instances. So think of these instances as high performance workhorses in the cloud, and they are like having a really fast computer processor that can crunch number, and they handle complex tasks quickly, right? And useful for applications that need a lot of computational power but don't necessarily require a huge amount of memory or storage, right? Next is Google Cloud C2 instances. So these instances, just imagine these instances as the superheroes of processing power in Google's cloud. They are designed to handle demanding tasks efficiently, making them perfect for applications that require intense calculations, right? Like having a super smart assistant that excels at solving math problems at incredible speed. Third is Azure F-Series instances. So consider these instances as the speed demons of Azure cloud offering, right? And they prioritize CPU performance, making them great for tasks that involves a lot of number crunching of or data processing. So picture having a virtual powerhouse that can quickly process information without breaking a sweat, right? So basically, in summary, Mm, whether you are using Amazon EC2 series, Google Clouds C2 instances, or Azure App Series, so you are tapping into specialized cloud resources that prioritize processing power. It's like choosing the right tool for the job and ensuring your applications run smoothly and swiftly in the cloud without unnecessary frills. Right. So I hope you get it. Now, next slide is advantages of compute optimized instances, right? So first is speed and efficiency. So compute optimized instances are built to handle compute intensive tasks quickly and efficiently, right? So basically compute optimized instances are like having a super fast computer that excels at quickly and efficiently tackling task required a lot of calculations, right? So next is cost effective. So they are often a cost effective choice for applications that demand high CPU performance without the need for excessive memory or storage. Get it? So next is real time example. So real time example is, let's consider a real world scenario. Just imagine you are running a complex simulation of for scientific research, right? This simulation involves heavy calculations but does not require a massive amount of storage or memory, right? So in this case, a compute optimized instance would be like having a super fast mathematician dedicated to performing all the calculations at lightning speed, right? Ensuring your simulations complete in the shortest possible time. Get it? I hope you get it. This is very easy example, right? And now our next slide is series. So compute optimized instances comes in series or families, each optimized for different use case or performance labels. For instance, in the Amazon EC2 C series, you may have instances like C5, C6G, etc. So each with varying specification or targeted for specific applications, right? So I explained this, right? So, like, think of compute optimized instances like a family of superheroes. So, each superhero in the family has their own unique powers and strengths optimized for different tasks. So, in the world of cloud computing, Amazon EC2 has a family of these superheroes instances, and they are called it the C series, right? So basically, C5, right? Here's right C5. So C5, it means think of like this superhero is like the Flash. It's super speedy and great for tasks that need quick calculations. Imagine needing to solve a bunch of math problems in record time. That's where C5 shines, right? Next is C6G. It means the versatile gland. So meet our versatile gland, like a superhero with multiple gadgets. C6G is excellent for various applications, especially those that requires a balance of power and flexibility. So it's like having a superhero that can adapt to different challenges, right? So basically, each superheroes, it means instances type in the C series, has its unique set of skills or specifications tailored for specific jobs, whether you need speed or a mix of power and flexibility. There's a superhero, it means instances in the C series family ready to save the day in the cloud, right? And so when you are choosing a compute optimized instances, so it's like picking the right superhero for the job. So making sure you have the one with the skills that match and the task at the hand, right? So next is, so basically I hope you get it, right? So next is conclusion slide. So I read this. First, choose the right instance type. So that's the important thing. Choose the right instance type. Selecting the appropriate instance type is crucial for optimizing performance and cost in cloud, right? Next is consider workload requirements. So assess your application's needs in terms of compute, memory, and storage to make an informed decision, right? Third is continuous and monitoring, and that's a very crucial thing, right? And that's a basically important thing, right? Regularly monitor your application's performance to ensure that it aligns with your chosen instance type, right? So I hope you get it, right? And there you have it, false. And we have demystified compute optimized instances from their definitions to types, advantages, and even a real world example. Remember, choosing the right instance type is key to optimized your performance and the cost in the clouds, right? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Have questions or want to explore another topic, so drop a comment below. And thanks for joining us today on Dip Safia. Happy computing, and we will catch you in the next video.